Okay, you may have seen this guy before. This is basically just a servo cut into this guy's body, and the head turns, although not really in any way that a normal head might turn. And it's run by the Arduino. And so it's a very basic circuit that we've done here, but it's really kind of just an idea to kick off a toy design program. So here I am. I'm really interested in linkages, but I'm having to do a lot of playing because, you know, how do you learn? You learn it in school or you learn it in play. And so here I've been noticing these straws, and this one pack, I guess it'll vary depending upon the pack you use, had 2 different sizes of straws in it. And I'm trying to see how to fit the straws together to make a framework for a guy. So here's the idea, that we can use something to move this part back and forth and therefore simulate a person reaching forward to do something. And it's kind of a nice, easy framework. I'm not sure where we go from here, but I thought that was useful. This is a twist tie, 2 straws bent for arms, and then 2 other straws, one taped up to keep it solid, and one allowed to move inside the other straw. So that movement, I think, will be useful. N'est-ce pas? And here we are with a pseudo body on it. Then we just got to twitch it that way. Okay, here's my guy, and you work him by turning the crank. It's going to be a little hard to do this. And so you turn the crank, and it causes him to move in a somewhat erratic fashion. But hey, it's my first mechanical composition here. The wire is a little soft, so I'll probably go get that heavy-duty wire from the hangers, coat hangers. There's 2 types, one's really soft, one's more heavy, one's heavier, but we'll use that. And then I basically just wound a bit around the straw and created a little thing with a loop here so that it doesn't go all the way through, and a loop on the other side so it doesn't come back out. And then inside, very happy here, taped it up and hooked this around, and then this is so that this doesn't go all the way over here and here. And you can see it's kind of warping, but it's all good. Hey, it worked! Sorta.